Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. A friend of mine from work asked me if I could sharpen this knife for him. It's an M-Tech, USA design. Pretty cool looking knife. It's got the American flag on it. Check this, see how sharp it is on some notebook paper. Not very sharp. Pretty dull. Can't even cut paper. Alright, so we're going to start with the coarse grit. Work sharp knife and tool sharpener. Get 3 courses of else with it. 3 grits. We're going to use the coarse and then the medium and then the stopper. Green being the coarse. Start with it. See if we can get a burr going on this thing. Well, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. We got a slicer now. Yeah, I'd say that's a lot sharper than it was. Alright. Let's go kill a bottle with it. Yeah, I'd say that's sharp now.